Good morning, everyone! Today, we're going on a thrilling adventure to discover the wonderful world of the 4 seasons and different types of weather. Are you ready?
Yes, Miss Lily.
Fantastic! Let's start with the first season, spring. In spring, the world wakes up from its winter slumber. The trees start to bud, flowers bloom, and animals come out to play. Can you think of some words to describe spring?
Flowers. Rain.
That's right. Spring brings us beautiful flowers and sometimes gentle rain showers. Now, let's move on to summer. Who can tell me what happens in summer?
It gets hot. We go to the beach.
Exactly. Summer is the season of sunshine and warmth. It's when we get to enjoy fun outdoor activities like going to the beach or having a picnic in the park. Let's sing along to our song.
Spring, summer, fall, and winter. Each season brings its own adventure. Rain or shine, snow or storm, nature's beauty in every form. No matter the weather, no matter the season, each has its wonder, its own special reason. So let's embrace them with joy and delight. Nature stands from dawn until night.
Hey tiny learners! If you enjoying our content, make sure to hit like, subscribe button and turn on notifications so you never miss an upload. Stay tuned for more awesome videos coming your way. Now, let's talk about fall, also known as autumn. What do you notice happening in fall?
It gets windy. The leaves change color.
Spot on! In the fall, the leaves on the trees turn beautiful shades of red, orange, and yellow before falling to the ground. It can also get windy, and sometimes we see rain showers as well. Last but not least, we have winter. What comes to mind when you think of winter?
Snow. Cold.
Yes, winter brings us snowflakes and chilly temperatures. It's the perfect time for building snowmen, having snowball fights, and cozying up by the fireplace with a cup of hot cocoa. Now, let's talk about different types of weather we can experience throughout the year. Who can name some types of weather?
Thunderstorms. Rain.
Great answers! We can experience rain, thunderstorms, snow, fog, sunshine, and even hail. Each type of weather brings its own unique characteristics and can happen in any season. Spring, summer, autumn, winter. Well done, everyone! Today, we've learned about the 4 seasons and different types of weather. Rain, hot, windy, cold, thunderstorms. Remember to always observe the world around you, as there's always something new and exciting to discover. Keep exploring, keep learning, and most importantly, have fun.
Be sure to subscribe to our channel and we'll see you in our next video. Bye bye.